Light kicks off all the biological processes in plants. Different colors of light affect plants in different ways.
You can change things like flavor, you can change things like quality, shelf life, and freshness of the plant. And we see a future where farmers dial in the exact flavor profile they want from their crop. Leaficient is using computer vision and machine learning to improve agricultural lighting, allowing greenhouse farmers to compete with outdoor grown crops. My background is I'm a farmer by life. My parents were farmers and I grew up working on a farm. I see the impacts of climate change and the struggles farmers are going through on a day-to-day basis.
Greenhouses and growing inside is a mechanism that they have, but they need new tools to be able to do that effectively and at scale. Our system manages the lighting system for them so they can focus on the other aspects of their farm. Pittsburgh is a world leader in robotics. It's a very friendly and approachable town from a technology development standpoint. Robotics Factory has provided a lot of the initial tools that a new company needs to get started.
The truth is that it's really hard. And the way to overcome how hard it is to surround yourself with people who've done it before and understand the challenges of growing a business. We know that we have a solution that can help growers. They need to be more cost competitive with outdoor grown crops, and Leaficient has that solution.